Number 1. Celebrating too early. You have one good week and you reward yourself with a cheat week. You make progress and immediately ease off. Strong men stay hungry even after wins. Weak men celebrate like they've already arrived. One good week means nothing. String together 10, then we'll talk. Number 2. Telling everyone your plans. You announce your goals on social media, you tell your friends what you're building, and your brain thinks you've already done it. The dopamine hit from sharing kills your drive to execute. Strong men move in silence. They let their results do the talking. Stop announcing, start building. Number 3. Comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You see someone's highlight reel and feel like a failure, so you quit before you even start. They've been grinding for years. You've been at it for weeks. Stop comparing. Your only competition is the man you were yesterday. Focus there. Number 4. Switching strategies too fast. You try a workout plan for 2 weeks and switch. You start a business model and jump to another one. You're not failing because your strategy is wrong. You're failing because you never stick with anything long enough to see results. Consistency beats perfection, always. Number 5. Seeking comfort after every hard day. You train hard, so you binge junk food. You work late, so you blow your whole weekend. You reward hard work with behaviors that undo the work. Progress isn't built on balance, it's built on momentum. 1 step forward, 2 steps back keeps you exactly where you are. Number 6. Keeping people around who don't respect your growth. Your friends make fun of your goals. Your partner doesn't support your vision, and you stay anyway because you're afraid of being alone. Here's the truth. Better alone than surrounded by people who keep you small. Protect your mission, even if it costs you relationships. Number 7. Overthinking instead of adjusting. Something isn't working, so you sit and analyze for weeks. You research, plan, and think yourself into paralysis. Strong men adjust fast. They see what's broken, fix it, and keep moving. Overthinking is just fear disguised as strategy. Test, learn, adjust. Stop thinking and start doing. You're not failing because you're weak. You're failing because you're getting in your own way. Celebrating too early, announcing instead of doing, comparing yourself to others, switching too fast, rewarding progress with setbacks, keeping the wrong people close, and overthinking every move. These 7 habits are silent killers, and most men never catch them. But now you know, so fix it. Stop sabotaging yourself and watch how fast things change when you get out of your own way.